I would like to now recall the words of Swami Vivekananda, who said, and I quote, "Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached," unquote. Finally, let us remember that the strength of Andhra Pradesh lies not just in its policies and projects, but in its people, their resilience, determination, and spirit of innovation. The road ahead is full of opportunities, and it is up to each one of us to seize them. This is our moment. The time to act is now. Let us work together, build together, and rise together, ensuring that Andhra Pradesh stands tall as a beacon of development, not just for India, but for the world. Jai Hind, Jai Andhra, Jai Swarnandhra.
National anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।